Welcome back everyone in today's English video. In today's English video, we are going to continue remaining part of lesson number 16, that is no formalities please. In previous video, we have seen the problems of students related to library period. In today's video, Mrs. Desai is going to teach class 4th how to write a formal letter. Without losing much time, Mrs. Desai began to teach her class how to write formal letter. Mrs. Desai said to students that the sender's address and the date should be written in the upper right corner of the page. Here one formal letter is given. Here in the upper right corner of the page you can see student that the sender address and date is wrote. Sender address means who is going to send letter. That person address and the date, it should be written in upper right corner of the page. The next step is to write the name or post of the receiver near the left margin. Then write his or her address below that. After sender's address, the next step is to write the post and name of receiver. Is to whom you are going to write later, that person name and post. It should be written near the left margin. You can see here the left margin the name and post of receiver it is wrote, and below that his or her address means receiver address it is wrote. And after that you must write the subject of the letter in short below the receiver's address she further instructed. After that Mrs. Desai instructed to students to write subject of the letter in short below the receiver's address. Students, you can see here in this letter you can see subject is wrote. It is wrote below receiver's address. That's something new, remarked Sharon. We do not mention a subject in our friendly letter, do we? Sharon is one boy from class 4th, and when madam started to teach later how to write a formal letter, that time he said that's something new. Afterwards also he is asking that we do not mention a subject in our friendly letter, do we? Means he is asking that in friendly letter we should mention subject or not. That time Mrs. Desai said, of course not. Means we should not write subject in friendly letter. What do we do next, teacher? Shruti wanted to know. Shruti wanted to know, so she asked what to do next, teacher. Next, you address the receiver writing dear sir or dear madam. Means you have to address the receiver writing dear sir or dear madam. You can see here students below the subject dear madam is wrote, means it is addressed to the receiver. Next, Mrs. Desai told, remember the rest of the letter. Rest of the letter means remaining part of the letter also should be written in polite language. And write the letter to the point. Means relate to subject. You have to write the letter. And should we end it with your lovingly? Asked Renu. Means Renu is asking to teacher, shall we end it with your lovingly? Mrs. Desai said, oh no, you can write that to your friends or parents or even to me. But when you are writing as a student to the principal, you may write yours faithfully or sincerely. Here you can see students in the formal letter at the end of the letter you should write yours faithfully or sincerely. Do not forget to thank the receiver appropriately before you close the letter. Means before closing the letter you have to say thanks to the receiver. Come on now, let's draft this letter together. Mrs. Desai taught class 4th how to write a formal letter, and she told, let's draft this letter together. Means after teaching a letter, she and the students together they draft, means wrote a letter to principal. After quite a few errors, means mistake, cancellation means some part they have cancelled, and changes, here the letter of class 4th wrote to their principal. It was written very neatly. Students, you can see here is the letter. It is a formal letter wrote by students of class 4 to their principal. Students are going to write letter to principal. So students address, it is wrote in upper right corner. that is Pragati Vidyalaya Pustak Marg Vachanpur. And below that date is wrote 6 July 2014. After that you can see their receiver's address to the left margin of the page. To the principal Pragati Vidyalaya Pustak Marg Vachanpur. Senders and receivers address is same because students are writing letter from school to principal and principal is in that school only, so the address is same both receiver and senders. Below receiver address you can see subject. Subject is request for home issue facility. Issue means permission and facility means service. The subject is request for home issue facility means students are asking to principal to allow them to take books at home for reading. After subject you have to address the receiver saying dear madam or sir. Here principal is madam, so dear madam student has wrote. After dear madam we have tried the rest of the letter in polite language. We the students of class 4th have a request. Our English teacher Mrs. Desai has informed us about many new books that have arrived in our school library. We are eager to read them. However, it is not possible for us to finish reading a book during the library period, which is only once a week. May we have your kind permission, madam, to take the books for home reading? We promise that we shall take utmost care of the books and return them on time. Utmost means greatest. You have to end the letter writing yours faithfully. All students of class 4th. Below yours faithfully, the name of the senders, it is wrote. Now here sender who it is? Students of class 4th. So all students of class 4th like this, it is wrote here. Next, exercise of lesson number 16, it is given. Students, you have to copy this given exercise in English workbook and you have to learn it. Also, you have to read lesson number 16. Last part, that is a homework. Students, you have to copy the given exercise in English workbook and you have to learn it, and also you have to read lesson number 16. Thank you.